2022 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing luxury sports sedan is here and ready to soar on the highway and track. The CT5-V Blackwing is the most powerful and fastest Cadillac production model in history, with a top track speed of more than 200 miles per hour. It uses an upgraded and hand-assembled 6.2-liter supercharged V8 rated at 668 horsepower and 659 pounds-foot of torque. The CT5-V Blackwing is offered with a standard 6-speed manual gearbox or an available 10-speed paddle shift automatic transmission. The 6-speed manual transmission used features unique gear cut changes that enhance quietness and durability compared to the previous generation. The available 10-speed automatic has been refined and aggressively tuned for performance driving, with calibrations specific for the power and torque curves of the model's respective engines. The CT5-V Blackwing builds on Cadillac's racing heritage and were developed to be track-capable. That involved an intensive validation program, including wind tunnel testing, to ensure consistent performance during the most challenging track conditions. In fact, functional aerodynamics, including an available carbon fiber aero package, contribute to the V-Series Blackwing model's track prowess to support a variety of cooling needs for the car's respective engines, transmissions, axles, and other supporting systems. It features advanced high-performance braking systems that have been extensively track and road tested, with the CT5-V Blackwing featuring the largest factory-installed brakes in Cadillac history, along with an available lightweight carbon ceramic brake package offering weight savings, durability, and heat management. Additionally, the new V-Series Blackwing models feature an enhanced electronic limited-slip rear differential, optimized for each driving mode and each performance traction management setting, as well as fourth-generation magnetic ride control. Additional improvements to the front and rear suspension systems, compared with previous models, further isolate drivers from road imperfections, while also supporting more precise, engaging connections with the road or track. The V-Series Blackwing's capabilities are conveyed to the pavement via Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires that were developed exclusively for the cars, contributing to their balance of track capability and road comfort. While the first 250 sold out in record time, the remaining 2022 CT5-V Blackwing are on sale now with limited availability. The CT5-V Blackwing has a starting MSRP of $84,990 and a fully configured MSRP of $125,980. Customers can build their own V-Series Blackwing online at Cadillac.com. it.